Are you going through something hard right now? Something really challenging? At different points in our life, we all are. I'm Coach Maggie with another Soul Food Sunday. Today I want to talk about a story that I'm sure all of us are familiar with, and it's the story of Noah. And the thing is, we often see it as just a cute story. This old guy and his sons, they build an ark, we gather the animals, and it makes for a great story, a great movie. But the fact is, one of the biggest things that we often forget and we don't necessarily think about is what it took for Noah to do something so crazy. We may think we're going through challenges, but usually the things we're going through are things that maybe other people have. So sometimes we can get help with them. But Noah had never seen rain before. Think of the humiliation, the embarrassment. I'm sure his sons were like, Dad, all of my friends think you're crazy. For all those years, he worked. But I want to say that God often calls us to do hard things because he purposely chooses people. He knows who can. Sometimes when we see stories in the Bible, I often think, was there somebody else? Was there a person before Noah that had been asked to build the ark? And they said, no, I don't think so. No, because people will make fun of me. Nope, not me. So then God went to another person and another and another. And finally, he got to Noah. Now, could be total craziness. But the fact is, Noah's identity was in serving the living God. And so, in spite of how things looked, he said yes. How often do we say yes, even when we're not quite sure? So God, first of all, when he calls us, he believes we can do it. Second thing is he equips us. And so he equipped Noah. I used to think and imagine Noah going out in the woods with his sons and gathering all these animals. But the Bible actually says it's like the animals were drawn to Noah. When God asks you to do something hard, he's going to bring people into your life who are going to be there to help you, to support you, to encourage you. Yes, there will be the naysayers. Yes, there will be people going, you are crazy. But he'll also bring people who will say, you've got this. I'll be praying for you. And then the other thing is, and the most important, is God will bless you in your obedience. Noah said yes to a crazy idea, a crazy command, but he not only saved himself, he saved his family. And the thing is, we're going to be asked to do things. We're going to be asked to do things that are hard. But it isn't just about us. It's also about the people in our lives, our kids, our loved ones, people around us. So be willing to say yes to that thing that doesn't make sense. Pray, be wise, but then know if he's asking you to do that hard thing, he's going to equip you and then he's going to bless you. That's why identity is so important, because often we shy away from things because we're so afraid of what others are going to say. That's one of the key elements in our walk with the Lord. And that's why it's a key element in my Restore Your Health Academy. It's about identifying, knowing who God is, what he thinks about you, and then being able to trust. If I know I serve a loving, living God, then I can trust him when he asks me to do things. But if our relationship is sort of like, oh, I'm not sure, then we need to deepen that. So there's a link. Check it out. See if it's something that can be a blessing to you. But this week, you're going to be asked to do things. None of us are going to be building an ark, I don't think. But you're going to be asked to do things, to talk to someone, to do something, to give money here, whatever it is. But make sure that you know that that relationship you have with the Lord is so strong. You know you can trust him because he will equip you and he will help you and bless you. So go out and be a blessing this week. Come back tomorrow morning for my 5-minute Monday mindset. Take care and have a wonderful weekend. God